Python online classes. Now we are in strings exercise problems. So we have 20 exercise problems. So I will explain one by one with code. So first we will go with the exercise problem questions. So here are the exercise problems. So I have 20 questions here. The first question is, write a Python program to copy the string using for loop, using range and without using function. This is our question. So I will copy this question and I will paste here by taking new file. My question. So what should I need to do? I need to copy a string with using loop, and one loop is without range function and another loop is that with range function. First I will read string from the user. Str is equal to input, enter a string. Enter a string. So this statement will use to reading string from user. And now I need to take two dummy strings to copy. One is str2 is equal to empty. It's an empty string. And another dummy string str3 is equal to another empty string. So one string will be useful to copy the string to using range function, and one string is useful to copy the string to string3 using without range function. So now I will write with using range function. Copy string using loop with range function. This is our solution. So first of all, whenever I say loop, I need to iterate a string till all the characters. So here I say range also. So then I need to write a loop with range. For I in range starts with the 0th character to length of str. So range from index 0 to length minus 1. That's a length minus 1. This is our range. Now I need to each and every iteration, what will happen? One character will come in the each and every iteration. That character I need to add to string 2. That's it. Very simple. So now I will say str2 is equal to str2 plus one character. So one character from this string 1. So that will be stored into str of I. So here adding each character str2 from str1. That's it. Sorry. So this is our copying a string without using range function. Now I need to print this str2. So this is a simple program with using the range function. If I want to use without range function, so I can write one more solution here. So I can say copy string using loop without range function. So simply say it as a without range function. For that, what should I need to do? I have a simple solution for j in str. That's it. So j in str means it will iterate all the characters. End of the string. So now once I want to copy, str3 is equal to str plus adding. So here I am taking the range function. So that's where it's taking the index character, but here I am taking directly character. So I can add direct character here with the j. That's it. str3 plus j. So adding each character to str3 from str. That's it. So now I want to print str3. So I say print str3, printing str3. So I want to print str1 also, str printing str. So these are the three outputs I am writing. One is original string, and another one is copy string to the str2, and another one copy string to the str3. All the outputs should be same because it's a copying a string from one string to another string using range function and without using range function. Now I will execute this code. So run module. So first I need to save. So I will go to the desktop and I will save as string exercises. String exercises. So enter a string. Say hello 3 times. Clear. So this is how you need to do with the copy string. So you can add some text also here. Str is first string, and here second string. str2 is the second string, and here you can add str3 also. str3 is third. If I want to run this program again, run module. So I say rgukt. So str is rgkt, str2 rgkt, 3 rgkt. So it's working. So this is how we need to work with the string copy with using loops. So now we will move to the next question. So next question here, write a program to print the following pattern A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCD, EF. First, so here some printing mistake. Pattern is not printed properly. So I will make it correct in our IDE. So I will close this file. Now I will open new file. Pattern here. So it's a pattern AB, C, ABCD, and thereafter I can get ABCD, E, and thereafter I can get ABCD, E. So when my input is 6, so that I need to have a 6 iterations. Based on input, I need to select the iterations. So I can say pattern to pattern underscore 2.python. So for that, what should I need to do? I need to read from the user how many iterations you required. Whether you required iterations more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So that's what. Say I will first add the size. Size is equal to int input, enter a number. Size from user. So first I am reading the size from the user. So how many iterations you required? So this is a solution for the 6 iterations. So based on iterations I need to give a output. That's it. Very simple. And I need to iterate that many iterations. So I need to take a loop for I in range 1 to size. So if I say 1 to size means I need to go 1 to size, and thereafter I need to have a multiple loop also for j in range 1 to I plus 1. This is So now you need to get one thing what I am doing here. What is the main mechanism to write these two loops? What is the main mechanism of this solution? First, we'll have some homework. Okay. So let's say I will open one notepad. So in first line I am getting A, second line I am getting AB, third line I am getting ABC, so on. So this is our output. This is how I am getting the output. So how I am getting these outputs? If you observe this pattern, this is a A only, and this is AB, and this is ABC. That means first iteration is taking only one output in the first iteration, one output, and second iteration, so I can say one character, and second iteration I am getting two characters, third iteration I am getting three characters, so on, and fourth iteration 4 and 5, so on. So first loop will start from the 1 and ends with the size. So let's assume that my size is 6. That means it ends with the size. So how many iterations are required here? 6 iterations. So I need to get starts with the 0. 0 to size. 0 to size. Clear. So now whenever I say 0 to size, so what is size here? Size is 4. That means I am getting 4 iterations. Size is 4. That means I am getting 4 iterations. Clear? So now it's okay. So I am getting 4 iterations. So 0 to size means 4 iterations. So the outer loop will tell that how many iterations you require. So this is outer loop for iterations. For n iterations. Here size iteration. So 0 to size means it starts with 0 and ends with 6. That means 6 iterations. Clear. Now I have another inner loop. And each and every iterations, how many characters are required? So how many characters are required? I required one character in first iteration and two characters in second iteration, three characters in third iteration. So I will start again with the 0. In first iteration, that means I is equal to 0. Then I need to go one character I plus 1. So 0 to 1. If I becomes 1, then second iteration, then two characters. I become 2, then third iteration 3 characters. This is how we can have the inner loop. Inner loop to print n characters in each iteration. So this is what happened with the inner loop. Clear? So this is one outer loop and another one is inner loop. Now I need to decide what to print. What to print. So I am printing here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, so on. So here whenever I have a ABCD here, so how to print A to directly to the console? So I have a one mechanism using the ASCII value. Using the ASCII value. So I have a ASCII value. A ASCII value is 65, I know. And B ASCII value is 66, so on. And till Z is a 90. And so on. I have a Z ASCII value is 90. So this is what I have asked. So I need to print from the 65 to 90 only. If above 90, again I need to come from the 65. That's what my requirement. So now I need to assign a one variable called 65. So I can take one variable here. K is equal to 65. Assigning K as 65 because A ASCII value is 65. So I am starting from A. That's why I am assigning K as a 65. That's it. So that assignment is completed. Now I need to print A. So one character only there, so I need to print A. So print A, that means I need to convert ASCII number to character using the function called CHR. Using the function called CHR. I say print CHR of K. K here is 65, comma, end. End means I want to end that particular line. So here K is 65, so first iteration it will print 65. And in the second iteration it will iterate 2 times, so it will print KK, so on. And third iteration, so on. So but in second iteration, here I got 65 and again I need to start from the 65, okay. But here I want to get 66 also. So whenever you want to get a 66 ASCII value character, then you need to increment in K. K is equal to K plus 1. So increment. So here is the increment. Get B character and to get C character, to get D character, so on. So this is how we can call it as an increment. So now this increment is completed. So everything is done. But when I got this particular scenario, after completion of this, I got the scenario like this: ABC, so on Z, and I got Z and I want A repeatedly. So whenever this scenario is available, then what should I need to do? I have one more thing. So Z ASCII value is 90. Z ASCII value is 90. So I need to write a condition called 90. If K is greater than 90, that means Z is computed. K becomes K value is greater than 90. Here 90 is ASCII value of Z, ASCII number of Z. So Z పైన వచ్చేసింది. So I am going out of the boundary of Z. So whenever I have a more than Z, so what should I need to do? Here I need to start from again 65. Start again from 65. Say simply A is equal to 65. Starting from again A. Starting from A. That's where is 65. So after completion of everything, so one loop is done. So I need to have one line break. Here I say end point, and here I have some line break. So each and every iteration. So for that I am taking the line break from the line break. Line break. This one is for the line break. And once this loop is completed, again I need to come with the 65. So next line again I am starting from the 65 only. I am writing here A is equal to 65. A is equal to 65. Once inner loop is terminated, then I need to start with A. That means 65. A means 65. K is equal to 65. So this is how we need to print this pattern. This is how we need to print this pattern. This is entire solution of the pattern program from the question number 2. Now we'll check whether this solution works or not. And if you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact me in WhatsApp or Google Classroom. No issues. Clear. Now I will execute this program. So I will run module. Okay. Save. Okay. Enter a number 4. 4 in the sense I need to get from A to ABCD only. So I say enter A to ABCD. So I am getting pattern. Issues. So now I will enter some another number. What I will do? Refresh terminal. Another number 7. So that is A to G. A to G. So I am getting A to G. So this is our pattern. If I enter more than 26, that means I want to get again A. So I will enter one more number here. So I say run. So I say 28. Means A to A B. So first I need to get A B, and thereafter A to Z A B. 28 rows. I will get 28 rows here. So here I am getting 28 rows. So you can observe here pattern. So very fine pattern I am getting A B C A B C D E F G M N S T. So here I got A to Z. In the 26th iteration it's a Z. Whenever it's a 27th iteration I am starting again from the A. 28th iteration also I am again A B. So this is what happens with this pattern. So this is how why I have taken k greater than 90. Use of k greater than 90 is the repeating from A when it reaches to the Z. Z ఎప్పుడైతే వస్తుందో whenever I get Z as ASCII value as 90, so whenever it become 91 again I need to start from the A where I have taken just 65. So this is how we need to write a solution for the pattern program. Clear? So now we'll move to the question number 3. We'll close this window. We'll close this also. So I will go to the question number 3. Write a Python that take user name and PAN card number as input. Validate the information using X function and print the details. This is some difficult and very important question. What happens with this question? So first I will take one new file. So I will save this file on my string saying as pan3. We paste the question. This is our question. Write a Python program that take user input. Python program is missing here. Program that takes user's name and PAN card number as input. Validate the information using X function. I need to write a function called X and print the details. So this is what happens with this code. And first what I need to take? I need to take two inputs. One is name and PAN card number. So I will take two inputs. So name, input, enter the string. Enter the name. Or enter your name. You can enter your name. Name from the user. Name is a string, obviously. I am reading the name from the user, no issues. Clear? Now, if I want to read PAN card number, so what is PAN card number? I don't know what is PAN card number. So what is the format of PAN card number? Because I need to validate the details also. Format of PAN card number, again we will move to the rough work. PAN card number format is PAN number format is ABCD D4 and E. First four characters should be uppercase. First four characters are uppercase. Last character is uppercase, and in these four characters are digits. This is my PAN card number. This is a format of the PAN card number. So it's an alphanumerical string. So I need to read a PAN number also in the format of string. It's a nor an integer, nor a float, nor a double. So I need to read it as a string. Variable as a PAN equal input PAN number. PAN. And it starts for number. Again, we don't require number here. Permanent account number. PAN starts for permanent account number. Reading user. there are two inputs here. So I saved just now. Okay, two inputs are completed. Now here I have a using x function. Function in the sense I need to create a function, and now we don't know about functions, so I will not move into the functions. Did we learn functions in previous semester? Did you learn functions in previous semester? Yes, we learned the functions. So what I need to do, I need to write a function. And a function, definition, validate, function name, and two inputs I require, name, comma, pan. I can take a comma b. Creating a function with two parameters. A and here whenever I have one function is there, so name should be, what should I need to do? Name should be anything. Either I have a name as a lowercase letter or uppercase letter, I don't have any issue with the name. I don't have any issue with the name. But name should be what it should be? It should be only characters. It should not contain digits. It should be alphabetical characters. So I need to validate that name should contain only alphabets. It should not contain anything apart from that. Name dot is alpha. Name is alphabet or not, I need to check first. If it is true, name is alpha is true, valid name. Now I need to check whether, so I can simply call it as a, first we will check this condition, print valid name. Break this code into multiple parts so that you can understand. Taking name first. Okay. So I need to call this function. Call this function. What should I need required? Validate function name, and two arguments I need to pass. One is name, comma, pan. So calling a function. So this is okay. If it's not alpha, else invalid name. It as an invalid name. So first we will check name, and then after we will check the PAN number also. First we will work out this program whether it's working or not, then we will go with the PAN. First I will say run module, run. Okay. So I am entering name as a shaker. PAN number some dummy ABCD 1 2 3 4 E. Valid name. I am getting valid name. If I give apart from alphabets in the name, will happen ABCD 1 2 3 4. PAN number something else. Name is validated. I don't have any issue with the name. Now I need to validate with the PAN number. So here A act as a name, B act as a PAN, or else you can pass same values also, name, same value, same name. So now also it will work. So shaker, PAN something else, valid name, no issues. And I will give some invalid name also now. ABCD 1 2 3 4, PAN something else, invalid. That's okay. Name is valid. So now I need to check PAN also. I need to check PAN also. So according to PAN card validation, I have a first 4 characters should be what? Should be uppercase letter. And first 1 character should be uppercase, and remaining 4 characters should be what? Digits. So first what should I need to give? Here I can print some output as else invalid name, and I will check with the pan also, validating the pan. Another if condition. So here, if first what I will do, multiple conditions here I required. What are the multiple conditions? So first multiple conditions are, so what is the total size of this pan card number? Sorry, pan card number contain A, B, C, D, E, F. Sorry, here pan card number contain 10 digits. First 5 characters should be uppercase letter, and next 4 and next 1. This is a pan card number format. Okay, I missed one character here. So now I need to check the length of that string should be 10. String should be 10. So I say length of pan is equal to 10. The first condition, it should be true. And next and first 4 characters, I need to check first 4 characters, that pan of 0 to 4. First 5 characters, 0 to 4 or 5. So I need to take first 5 characters, then I need to give 0 to 5 dot upper. They should be uppercase. So that is completed. And thereafter I need to have a next 4 characters should be, so its index starts with the 5 and ends with the 9, 8, that means 9. I say pan of 5 to 9 is digit. It should be true. And last character, so last character should be upper. So P of 9. So pan of 9, and pan of 9 is these all conditions should be true. When these all conditions are true, no one should get false. Then only our number is valid. Otherwise, it's fake. So and will give all should be true. Clear? So now I can say print your pan number is valid. So I can simply print pan. Invalid pan. Some more information also. Please enter in following format. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I am giving some message also to user. So here also I can add some message. Please enter only. Please enter valid name. Something else. This is what happens with this code. So this is how we are validating the pan number here. So pan validation. Now whenever I call this function, two if conditions will work out now. Two if conditions. Now we will check whether pan is giving proper result or not. Pan number. So I will run this code. So say run module. Okay, save. First I need to enter some name as a shaker. Pan. So pan I will enter valid pan only. Pan is ABCD 1 2 3 4 F. It's a valid. No issues. So once I will enter invalid pan also. shaker, an invalid pan. I can give some 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Please enter invalid pan. Please enter in following format. So I am giving invalid format. With very any format, it will give invalid result. Only this particular format will give only one more input as a valid. Say name as and pan number DJ WPK 1234 DFWPK 1234 T is a valid because 4 digits and 5 characters, and here is a 1 character. This is how you need to work with the PAN number. So till now for this video 3 solutions are enough, and you can watch this video and go through this all the solutions, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in Google Classroom or WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you soon. Bye. Thank you.